you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Where have you been?
I visited Turkey and Italy. What about you?
I went to France last year.
Nice. Did you like it?
Yes, it was amazing.
What did you do there?
I visited museums and walked in the city.
That sounds nice.
Have you traveled outside your country?
Yes, a few times. I also went to Greece.
Wow, how was it?
Very beautiful, especially the beaches.
I want to visit Greece someday.
You should. It's really nice.
Do you prefer cities or nature?
I like both.
Same here.
Do you travel often?
Not often, maybe once a year.
Me too. Travel is expensive sometimes.
Yes, but it's worth it.
I agree.
Do you use technology every day?
Yes, all the time. What about you?
Me too. What device do you use most?
My phone. And you?
My laptop for work.
What do you do on your phone?
I use social media and messages.
Same here. Do you play games?
Sometimes, not often.
I play games on weekends.
Do you have a smartwatch?
Yes, it helps me track steps.
That's useful. I don't have one yet.
You should try it.
Maybe I will. Do you watch videos online?
Yes, every day.
What do you watch?
Mostly entertainment and learning videos.
Nice. Technology is very helpful.
Yes, it makes life easier.
But sometimes it is distracting.
That's true. What kind of food do you like?
I like pasta and rice. What about you?
I like pizza and burgers.
Do you cook at home?
Sometimes, not every day.
I cook almost every day.
What do you usually cook?
Simple meals like chicken and vegetables.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, I try to eat healthy food.
Do you eat out often?
Not really, maybe once a week.
Same here. What do you drink?
I usually drink water and coffee.
I like tea more than coffee.
Do you like sweet food?
Yes, I love desserts.
Me too, especially chocolate.
What is your favorite fruit?
I like apples and bananas.
I like strawberries.
Healthy food is important.
Yes, it is.
Excuse me, do you know what time it is?
Yes, it's 3:10 p.m.
Oh no, I think I'm late.
Where do you need to go?
I have a meeting at 3:15.
Don't worry, you still have time.
How far is it from here?
It's about 5 minutes away.
That's good.
Are you going by walking?
Yes, I am walking.
Then you can make it.
Thank you. I was worried.
No problem. Do you have meetings every day?
Not every day, maybe 3 times a week.
That sounds busy.
Yes, sometimes it is stressful.
Do you finish work late?
Usually at 5 p.m.
That's a long day.
Yes, but it's okay.
Good luck with your meeting.
Thank you very much.
Which conversation was your favorite? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to listen again and practice speaking out loud.